We love treatments that don't shut down your own production.
The greatest advances in TRT will be the treatments that don't shut down your own production. Will that ever be possible, Gil?
We love treatments that don't shut down your own production, but again, your own production is moot because your own production is deficient. If you're looking to start TRT to replace a well-functioning endocrine system, you're missing the whole point of replacement therapy. It is not testosterone supplement therapy, it is testosterone replacement. And the goal is to replace what you have lost. And if you haven't lost it, why are you replacing it, is the question. And if you have lost it, what are we concerned about shutting down? Right? When you have a 200,000-mile, 20-year-old vehicle with rust on it, do you just buy another vehicle and drive that one on the weekends, or do you trade it in for the new vehicle? You replace it. So why do you want to keep a flawed, failing system running or drizzling when you've already replaced it with something that is optimal?
Check out my TRT workout split or the ebook The Ultimate Guide to TRT Cream. Links to the merchandise shop in the description.